gonna do a little research on our new Corvette.
I guess it took me to get you some coffee for him to do it. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Oh, come on! Peekaboo!
I'm looking for T-tops right now, and more important, the back glass
Peekaboo!
is what's going to kill us. Just the replacement glass, not even OEM original, is almost the price Carolyn's asking for both.
Peekaboo!
She
Peekaboo!
owes us an apology until we get it. I would rather drive that thing in the ocean, bro. Who cares about she who shall not be named anyways? I've got Raphael coming by to take a look at our comma, and I know we're going to score on this thing.
Grandpa, when I'm done with this, you need to see it. Peekaboo!
You know, since put a bunch of junk on that.
Peekaboo!
Hey, wow, that's pretty cool. I was expecting to see this. A Kusari Gama. That's pretty nice.
Peekaboo!
Kusari is the chain part, and the comma.
Okay,
Don't put a bunch of junk on that.
I'm not. This is the first video I've done. Peekaboo!
You've been sitting there for half an hour now doing that.
Peekaboo!
And they added the chain for trapping, hitting, throwing, drawing your opponent in, and then cutting. This is a very vicious weapon.
Would you show me what vicious looks like?
Somebody comes in close, you're going to reach out, and with one happy blow,
Peekaboo.
you're going to head your opponent, or at the very least,
Peekaboo.
you're going to leave a nasty gash on the aggressor.
We've
Peekaboo!
seen our share of samurai swords around here. But we've
Peekaboo!
never seen a weapon that could have been, in theory, used
Peekaboo!
by a ninja.
Hey,
But it's not very old.
stop it.
Red rust. Red rust is active rust. Probably 50, 60 years old. If this had black rust, usually you're looking something about Koto period. This piece, you could probably at auction get maybe $500.
Ninjutsu is the art of deception. How do I know that you're not actually channeling ninjutsu right now with that horrible number?
Peekaboo!
Carolyn isn't done wheeling and dealing. Do you understand the value of loyalty and friendship?
Peekaboo!
Have dollar signs by them.
How about $3 grand for everything?
I'm gonna say 15,000.